Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing the Partners in Cream Project Pan update. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, if you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. And let's hop into the video. Alright, so Partners in Cream is a project created by Steph and DaLin. I will link their channels down below as well as all the information you need to know about this project. But basically, we are panning cream products and it's a lot of fun and I've been making some really good progress, and let's get into the video. So the first thing So the first thing I've been working on all year long is my, I almost call this my NYX, my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And as you can see, we've been making progress. I started out all the way down there. Now I'm all the way up here. I do not have a lot of this left. In fact, there is a huge air bubble on the other side. So I think this is going to start to go pretty quickly. I can't believe it's taken me the whole year to get this much progress. I use it a lot. And admittedly, I've been a little forgetful about keeping track of my tallies. But I have written down 7. That feels not accurate. So take that with a grain of salt. But we made a little bit of progress this month. So hopefully this should be done by the end of the year. So I don't think that's going to be a problem. Next up, we've got my Rare Beauty blush in the shade Love. I always need to double check this. But I have written down that I've used this 4 times. Again, I've been really bad with keeping track of my tallies. So the news with this is that product comes off when I apply this to my cheek. However, there's really not like excess product on the wand. Like, I guess there's like just a little bit. So I really don't think there's a ton of this left in here. We'll kind of see. Basically, if I can't get any more off of the brush, then I'm gonna call it done. I think we're close. And it's really hard to like kind of bend the wand to like scrape product off the side. So we'll see. I've said this before, but I'm not planning on taking the stopper out of this. When I've done it before, it was too much of a pain and it dried up really quickly after that, so I'm not gonna even bother. But I'm really excited that I think I'll be able to get this out of my collection this year, which will be quite the feat. Next up, we've got my Ilia lip oil. This I do not really love, and I honestly forgot this was in the project until I was collecting all of my products for this. So I wrote down that I've used it 5 times. Again, take my tallies with a grain of salt this month. This is way too baby pink for me and it wears off in like seconds. So, I definitely reapply this throughout the day when it's not just 5 uses, it's 5 days of use. And I don't know if I see a line at all. Like I feel like I see a line about halfway, but it's really hard to tell. I mean, I think I'll be able to get this done by the end of the year. I just want it out of my collection. And I know this is a clean beauty brand, so I want to get it out before it expires. It's fine. A lot of the time when I was wearing it, I think more towards the start of the month, what I would do is I would apply it right before I started the rest of my makeup, so it would kind of wear away by the time I needed to put something else on top of it. Another product that I forgot about is my e.l.f. bronzer in the shade, what shade is this? Tan Lines. And I'm just trying to get as much use on it as I can. But I have written down that I've used this 4 times, which I also don't think is true. I am wearing it today. I went very light because my skin is going through it right now. And I just wanted a really light base makeup. So, I mean, I already had pan on it. I'm just using it. I don't think I'm gonna have much to say about it for the next few updates, but I would like to finish this next year because I think that would be really cool. Next up, we've got my Lisa Eldridge Rotating Lipstick. I was focusing on the shade Fawn this month, and I used it 4 times, including today. This is one of my favorite nude lipsticks. It's just perfect for every day. It is my favorite nude color on me, so was really happy to focus on this month. I was focusing on Cookie this month because I really wanted to get that out of my collection. So it was kind of like these were very similar shades, so it was kind of hard to get around to using it, but this is such a nice shade, and I think I'm going to use this a lot more now that I have Cookie out of my collection. And then the fail of the month, again, I did not touch Dream Lover once. I didn't. I want to hit pan on it. I'm going to keep it in, but I did not hit pan on, or I did not even touch it this month. Again, what can you do? So That is all the progress I have. So the only thing we're rolling out is Velvet Fawn from Lisa Eldridge, and we're going to be rolling a new lipstick in, which I already picked, and I've had picked probably since the start of the year for this month because it's perfect for October, and that is Velvet Cinnabar. I was actually wearing the gloss earlier in the video I just filmed because this is just the perfect like orangey red lipstick. It is gorgeous. I will try to wear this for my next month's update so you can see how it looks on me, but oh, this is such a gorgeous lip color, and I have not been using it that much, but it's fall time, baby, and I cannot wait to wear this a lot this month. So I'm really excited to focus in on that lipstick. Really excited for her next fall launch, which should be happening soonish. Very excited to see what color she comes out with. But that is all I have for my Partners in Cream update today. Really short and to the point. I hope you enjoyed. I hope your project is going well if you're participating. Once again, thank you to Steph and DaLin for creating this project. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!